routine checks ensure that the quality of reprocessing in the Carebox is guaranteed over the long term. Please check the sieves and seals of the Carebox, as well as all adapter seals for correct seating once per working day. Conduct a weekly function test to check that the Carebox and the supply channels are functioning correctly. Please insert the measuring device into the lower part of the Carebox and close the Carebox. After the Carebox has been hooked in, please start the Carebox test in the Favorites menu. After the test program has run, please carefully remove the Carebox with the measuring device. Finally, check that all fill levels are at or above the minimum level line. Moreover, please clean the Carebox with a lint-free cloth once a week. To clean the sieve, please pull out the safety spring at the base of the Carebox. You can then remove the sieve inside the base of the Carebox and clean it under running water with a soft brush or the MELAjet spray pistol. After checking the cleaning result, please reinsert the sieve and the safety spring into the Carebox.